Surf T's second Hoi, or Judge Clear Car Dita High, Yahan Natak Nahi Kalega, Surf Sach Kalega.
Ask for an adjournment for that purpose.
Without objection, how much time? You have the application.
The application is pending, but I already have, I guess, my video visits approved. So once it shouldn't be very long, I don't expect. That makes sense.
I believe that. All right. Probable cause conference will be on September 4th.
Thank you.
2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you, Ms. Johnson.
Thank you.
Really? No, go ahead. I'll wait. You got everybody? Court does call the case of the people versus Michelle Lobaz.
John Shea, Your Honor, with and on behalf of Ms. Labaz, who's approaching.
Morning, what's your name?
State your name for the record.
Michelle Labaz.
Thank you. All right,
Your Honor, the defense has been awaiting supplemental medical records for quite some time. That medical records take a long time to obtain. My understanding is the prosecutor's office has them. They will be tendering them to us. We will be tendering them to others who need to review them. I'm going to be out of the country between August 31st and September 19th, so we're requesting a PCC until after that.
Since September 19th.
Yes, sir.
I can do September 25th or October 2nd.
Your Honor, September the 25th will work just fine. At the 22nd, excuse me 1 second, Your Honor. Your Honor, it's September 25th for the time being. We may have a conflict with that, but if we do, we'll contact the court. I know I have a conflict on the 2nd.
Hearing no objection, probable cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case People versus Samuel Klosky.
And then on behalf of the people record.
I realize, Ms. Cannon, you are trying to stand in my eyesight, so I know that you're actually here, and we're waiting on somebody else. No, never mind. You don't have to say anything. I'm just saying, I get why you're there.
My apologies, Judge.
Your name, sir?
What's your name?
Samuel Klosky.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are asking that this.
10-minute DAS second par defendant key body language sab kuch bolrahi high, or Judge any turret pack adlia.
Preliminary examination in person, September 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks, Your Honor. All right.
Bond continued. Court calls case People versus Eric Leifert.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christopher Shemke appearing on behalf of my client who approaches.
Your name, sir? Eric Leifert. Thank you. You're seeking an adjournment?
Yes, Your Honor.
That objection, probable cause conference will be adjourned to September 2nd, or September 4th, excuse me.
Your Honor, if possible, I was respectfully requesting consideration for the 18th of September. I fully expect the matter to find a resolution. I do not see this matter being set for an exam.
5 weeks out.
But I wouldn't be seeking any additional adjournments.
Any objection from the people? September 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Kyle Beckerman.
Good morning, please, Honorable Court. David Burgess on behalf of Mr. Beckman. We got our discoveries complete. We're requesting exam on this matter.
Your name, sir?
Kyle Beckerman.
People have their witnesses available the second. Preliminary examination in person, September 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Perry. Bond will continue. Court calls the case of the people versus Latanya Marie. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, Latanya Marie Lee. Let's see, that wrong. Naya Lee. They have it. They have this.
Andrew Childers appearing on behalf of the people. Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with on behalf of Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, could you please state your name?
Naya Lee.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. There's some discovery that still needs to be produced, and we're working on a resolution. So a lengthier adjournment would be appreciated, Your Honor.
Chi minute par sabut sami rekod jada hai. Yo wo pal hai jo case kale altai dishami lu jaw sakta hai.
Like the 18th, Your Honor, please.
18th. Why? This is 5 weeks out. The other one was a retail fraud. I don't even understand why we sent that out 5 weeks. And this is...
Yeah, I guess that is a little bit lengthy. September 11th, Your Honor.
September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Okay.
Court calls the case of the people versus Christopher Decker.
Good morning, Your Honor. J. Grant Miller, P58658, on behalf of Mr. Decker, who approaches. Please state your name.
Christopher Decker. You're requesting a forensic exam.
Yes, Your Honor. I met with Mr. Decker. There were some concerns raised during our meeting Saturday, so we're requesting a forensic exam. I've received the paper discovery from the people. The prosecutor also has provided me the email address, and I already sent over a request while waiting to be called for the digital discovery. I think the only holdup is how long it'd take to get the forensic center to see my client.
Forensic examination evaluation is ordered. I'll set a competency here and give me 90. We'll move it up. Yes, sir. November 13th, 2025. 9 a.m.
And Your Honor, my understanding is I don't believe bond's been addressed in this, and we just asked the court to reserve that. There's a revoked bond from a case that's already been bound over to circuit court, so I don't believe any of this time is counting on this case. But we just didn't want the court to deny bond or take any further action until we get a response back.
He's got a 25,000 cash. Sure.
On this case, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond will continue. Court does call the case of the people versus Carlton Cross.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Feaster's case. Sir, can you state your name, please?
Yes, sir. Cross and Deion Cross.
Thank you.
What is Judge Portia Feaster, Assistant Public Defender?
Thank you for joining us.
Apologies.
What are we doing in this?
Thank you, Judge. I've been trying to work with the prosecutor to receive an offer on this case. I believe it's the first PCC. We have not yet received that offer. I will request a brief adjournment to see if there is an offer we can possibly get to resolve this.
Without objection, August 28, 2025.
Thank you, Judge.
Continue. Thank you, Mr. Cross.
And sir, Judge
I'll
Simpson.
come down and talk to you, Mr. Cross.
Okay, and Judge Simpson, and I've already on my other case, I've already been released to treatment, and I'm just waiting for Miss Sarah at correctional service to come down and talk to me.
Okay, I'm sure that'll happen. Okay, and if there isn't an order on this case, they can prepare an order and I'll sign off so that this case doesn't hold you up. Okay?
All right, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You do the same. Court calls the case. People versus DeLorean Hall. So,
Joseph Ignobet, people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Duhall. Mr. Duhall, could you please state your name for the court?
DeLorean Durrell.
Sure. Apologize. Your Honor, two things. First, I had spoken with Mr. Durrell about setting this for exam, but in reviewing the discovery after we spoke, I realized that there's some more discovery that I would need before setting it for exam, so it's not there quite yet. I still have to fill out a green sheet for Your Honor, but I'm asking for a short adjournment to do that, please.
August 28th, 2025, 9 a.m. I'll need a green sheet. Bond will continue.
Judge, I was hoping to address bond for Mr. Durrell. Your Honor, Mr. Durrell suggests that he has a number of community supports and stability in the community that would allow him to be monitored safely. He does live with his father in Southgate. His father is a business owner and he works for him. He is being groomed to take over a management position there, and he's made a lot of strides there. He also works full-time at McDonald's, 10 to 6 weekdays, Your Honor, and he has a 4-month-old baby at home. He is asking the court's consideration for bond review.
Response. I'm sorry, I did not hear any of that last part.
I believe, Your Honor, the bond has set is appropriate to the need of the charges that I'm facing. But given the fact that this defendant charged with robbery, I think the bond is appropriate and set. People for the questioning for the determination.
At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to deny the motion to modify the bond in this case. Bond will continue, however, Mr. Bernstein would like to file a written response so I can get more information. Since I didn't get any from the people, I'll be more than happy to consider it.
We'll do that, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Alexander Sanchez Garcia.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nicholas Monterez on behalf of Mr. Alexander Sanchez Garcia, present to my right. Mr. Sanchez Garcia, can you state your full name for the record?
Alexander Sanchez Garcia.
Thank you. You're requesting an adjournment.
I am, Your Honor, and I spoke with the people before stepping up to the lectern here. If the court would like more information, because the green sheet is a bit vague, then I'm happy to give it, but the people and I, we're asking for 3 to 4 weeks, Your Honor.
That objection, probable cause will be adjourned September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court has called the cases of the People versus Todd Reberg.
Andrew Childress, people.
Carl Bernal appearing on behalf of Mr. Reberg in the case ending in 5649.
And good morning, Your Honor. Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender, with and on behalf of Mr. Reberg in all his other matters. Mr. Reberg, could you state your name for the court?
Todd Reberg.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, I would ask you to approach on these matters.
Come on.
Thank you.
Judge.
All right, record should reflect you had a bench conference in this case. You're seeking an adjournment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge. Because he's still awaiting potential release to treatment.
Yes, Your Honor.
What, the 4th or the 11th, Ms. Young?
Yeah, either works for me, Judge.
Either, Your Honor.
Can I ask for Dell? Did I say Ms. Young?
Oh.
For Dell thought I cared. No.
Probably the 11th, Your Honor.
Yes.
Thank you.
She's still doing great.
I am.
Probable cause in this matter will be adjourned to September 11th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Keep your head up top. Thank you.
Court does call the case of the People versus Nolan Burns.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Feitelski appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Hearn.